Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is required at Miami. Our app for MFA is called Duo. Logging back into the portal at accounts.miamioh.edu will prompt you to begin the Duo enrollment process. Here, click Get Started. The easiest way to use Duo is to download and configure the Duo mobile smartphone application. When you log into a Miami system, the Duo app can push a notification to your phone for you to approve the login. This helps keep nefarious people out of Miami systems. Here's another tip. You should be using MFA with all of your online accounts, not just Miami. It adds an extra layer of protection to your online activities. So, with that in mind, select the Duo Mobile option and input your phone number. Select Continue, then Confirm, and then enter the passcode that gets sent to your phone. It should be a 6-number code. Select Verify. Next, you will be asked to download the Duo mobile app. You can do so by going to your App Store and selecting the Duo mobile app. Duo has a green all-caps logo. Once you have the app, open it and select Use QR code, then scan the QR code on the screen. Alternatively, you can also opt to receive an activation link in your email. Once you scan the code, follow the next few prompts and then log in again with your new Duo mobile app. For more information about Duo and MFA, including other options for getting MFA codes, visit miamioh.edu/duofaq.